Xishuangbanna, where wildness and tenderness intertwine. So, how should one visit Xishuangbanna? Here is some practical travel route information. You can save it first and then take a look. Zooming in, Xishuangbanna is located in the southernmost part of Yunnan Province, China. It is like a pearl inlaid in the tropical jungle, full of rich dye and tie styles. It has a tropical monsoon climate, warm and humid throughout the year, and is suitable for visiting all seasons. Generally, you can arrange a travel time of about 3 to 7 days. In this travel guide, I mainly divide it into two parts: the central urban area and the surrounding scenic spots to sort out the important and well-known attractions. There are several railway stations in Xishuangbanna, such as Xishuangbanna Station and Wild Elephant Valley Station. You can take the train or high-speed rail here. Friends who take a plane need to fly to Xishuangbanna Gasa International Airport. Then, you can reach the central urban area by various means such as bus, public transportation, or taxi. In terms of accommodation, the area near the water splashing square is located in the city center, with convenient transportation, a wide variety of shopping and dining options. It is suitable for tourists who pursue convenience and liveliness. When the water splashing festival comes, people splash water on each other here to send blessings, and the lively scene is full of joy and vitality. Gaozhuang Xishuangbanna is a popular area for accommodation. There are numerous inns and hotels here. Whether you want to experience the local culture or enjoy convenient shopping and delicious food, you can be satisfied. On the first day, start from Manting Royal Garden. This is a royal garden of the Dai King with a history of more than 1,300 years. The garden is surrounded by blooming flowers and shady trees. There are not only magnificent Dai-style buildings but also elegant pavilions. Walking among them, it feels as if you have traveled through time, enjoying the ancient charm and beautiful scenery, and being filled with a sense of leisure and comfort. The General Buddhist Temple is connected to Manting Park. It was first built in 615 AD and is the cultural center of Theravada Buddhism. The buildings are exquisitely and grandly constructed. The pagodas and main halls in the temple are solemn and majestic, attracting many believers and tourists. It is a place of pilgrimage for Buddhists. In the afternoon, go to Gaozhuang Xishuangbanna. This is a characteristic town full of Southeast Asian styles. The Grand Golden Pagoda stands in the center of Gaozhuang Xishuangbanna. It is tall and majestic and is the most iconic building. The Golden Pagoda body shows the solemnity and holiness of Buddhist culture and is an excellent place for taking photos. The Starlight Night Market at night is extremely lively, gathering delicious food and special snacks from all over. Local specialties such as Dai-style barbecue, bamboo tube rice, and pineapple rice can make you indulge in the hustle and bustle of daily life. On the second day, go to Mengal Grand Buddhist Temple. Its predecessor, Jingpia Buddhist Temple, was first built in the Ming Dynasty and is a royal temple of the Dai Dynasty. It is built on a hillside and has many halls and pagodas. From the mountain gate to the Big Buddha at the highest point, a clear central axis is formed. It is a holy land of Theravada Buddhism and a landmark Buddhist temple in Xishuangbanna. The Mengal Cultural Garden where the Grand Buddhist Temple is located is built on the ruins of the Dai Royal Palace. There are famous ancient sites in Southeast Asia, such as the Grand Golden Pagoda of Shuangkai, which is magnificent, and Zhuangmu, the first of the 9 pagodas. The holy spring never dries up even in a long drought, showing its unique charm. When night falls, you might as well move to the Riverside Night Market. Walking among it, the aroma of special food is everywhere. You can feast on the food while taking in the charming night view of the Lancang River. In addition, if you have more time, there are some attractions in the urban area, and you can choose to visit them according to your interests. Among them, the Primitive Forest Park integrates tropical rainforests, ethnic cultural performances, and jungle adventures. The peacock release here is truly amazing. Hundreds of peacocks fly together, creating a spectacular scene. The Tropical Flower Garden is a paradise for plant lovers. It gathers thousands of tropical flowers and economic crops. The blooming flowers are like a dreamy brocade, and the crops show a different kind of vitality. It is very suitable for a short tour. The Lancang River rafting, known as the first rafting in Asia, is about 15 kilometers in total length. Along the way, you can enjoy the magnificent bridge and dye villages. You can also participate in the water splashing festival on the river and experience various water sports. It is very suitable for friends with good physical fitness and a love for excitement to challenge. On the third day, you can visit the surrounding attractions. First, you can go to the Wild Elephant Valley. Here, you can watch the cute elephants give wonderful performances. Enter the Elephant Museum to explore the past and present of elephants. You can also step on the elephant watching plank road, eagerly looking for the traces of wild elephants in the jungle. In the afternoon, go to the Xinhuo stockade to feel the unique charm of the Xinhuo ethnic group. In the ancient stockade, you can deeply understand the cultural customs of the Xinhuo ethnic group, watch the inheritance of traditional skills. On the stage, the Xinhuo people sing and dance, vividly showing the ethnic customs with their cheerful performances. On the fourth day, you can go to the Xishuangbanna Tropical Botanical Garden. This is a world-renowned outdoor botanical garden, boasting a large amount of tropical plant resources. Unique ecological wonders such as the strangling phenomenon are amazing. Walking through each special garden, you will be overwhelmed by the rare plants, as if you have stepped into a magical kingdom of plants. On the fifth day, go to the Dai ethnic village. The 5 Dai villages in the village each have their own charm. You can experience the joy of the water splashing festival, feel the charm of traditional handicrafts, and immerse yourself in the Dai life. It is known as the feather on the tail of a peacock and is an excellent place to appreciate Dai culture. If you have enough time, there are also many surrounding attractions, and you can go according to your interests. Among them, the Wangtianshu scenic area has the local special tree species, Wangtianshu. The skywalk and tropical rainforest hiking adventures are its signature highlights. Stepping on the swaying skywalk, you seem to turn into a bird and take in the entire view of the vast tropical rainforest. Mengyuan Wonderland is a natural wonder. The karst landform and tropical rainforest are magically intertwined. Cave exploration is mysterious and exciting, and hiking in the rainforest is full of surprises. Every step can unlock unique scenery and bring an unforgettable experience. The Manfailong White Pagoda is full of typical Dai style. The pagoda body is as white as snow and shines brightly in the sunlight. Multiple pagodas form a lively group of pagodas, with a well-arranged shape, showing a simple and beautiful style with a long-lasting charm. The Jingzhen Octagonal Pavilion is a treasure of Dai Buddhist architectural art. It perfectly integrates Dai and Han styles and has extremely high artistic value. It is surrounded by green paddy fields and lotus ponds, with a quiet and beautiful scenery. The Mengjinglai tourist scenic area enjoys the reputation of the first Dai village on the China-Myanmar border. It has well-preserved traditional crafts such as primitive pottery making and brewing. It is also the filming location of the TV show Where Are We Going, Dad?, and is full of unique charm. In short, Xishuangbanna, this emerald on the 21st parallel north. With wild elephants walking through the mist, the heartbeat of the rainforest dancing with the smoke of Dai villages, and the water-splashing carnival mixed with the sweet and glutinous pineapple rice, every frame is an untamed natural poem.